Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar rise 0.5% against the yen. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair gained 2.3% in the last session, after rising as much as 3.8% during the session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair dove 2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices made a positive start to 2024, boosted on Tuesday by expectations the US Federal Reserve will cut interest rates this year and concerns over attacks on shipping in the Red Sea. The dollar crept higher as attention turned to economic data this week that may provide clues on the Federal Reserve's next moves. The dollar index, which measures the US currency against 6 rivals, fell 2% in 2023, snapping 2 years of gains. The world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, burned 5.57 billion Terra Luna Classic tokens in the 17th batch of the LUNC burn mechanism. The total LUNC burned by the crypto exchange to date reaches more than 49 billion.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing New Orders Index at 1500 hours GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's unemployment rate will be released at 0855 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.